The $100 Walmart gift card rewards program in the USA is a popular incentive promoted through various online platforms, apps, and survey websites, offering users the chance to earn a $100 Walmart gift card in exchange for completing simple tasks. These tasks can include filling out surveys, signing up for promotional offers, watching ads, or shopping through partner links. Walmart itself occasionally runs official promotions or partners with third-party marketing agencies to distribute these rewards as part of loyalty programs or customer feedback initiatives. However, it's crucial to verify the legitimacy of any offer before participating, as scams often disguise themselves under the guise of Walmart rewards. Trusted platforms such as Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and MyPoints have been known to offer authentic Walmart gift cards after accumulating enough points through user activity. Always ensure the source has positive reviews, HTTPS encryption, and doesn't ask for sensitive information like your social security number. These gift cards can be redeemed both online and in store, making them a convenient reward for everyday shopping needs. Whether you are looking to save on groceries, electronics, or household items, the Walmart $100 reward